eyes in the sky, gazing far.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today, it's all about AngelEye, the world's lightest 4K wearable FPV camera. A 32-gram design that frees both hands while recording life exactly as it unfolds. For creators, adventurers, and daily explorers, this tiny lens promises a cinematic view of reality from a true first-person perspective. Okay, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? For you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
AngelEye feels almost invisible when worn. At just 32 grams, it rests effortlessly on the chest or cap, blending with daily motion instead of interrupting it. The matte finish and compact frame show careful engineering, letting every movement stay natural while each angle stays covered. No bulky mounts, no awkward grips, just pure mobility. Whether walking, cycling, or driving, it offers the rare sense of wearing nothing yet recording everything that matters, turning motion into memory without a second thought. Once the setup disappears into movement, what truly stands out is the clarity it captures. Its 4K recording and 48 megapixel stills turn quick moments into vivid frames of color and detail. Beyond sharpness, what defines AngelEye is the stability. Ultra-smooth motion paired with horizon leveling that keeps frames composed even during turns or climbs. Each shift in movement remains balanced and every transition feels seamless, not erratic. The result is immersive footage that flows with rhythm, whether outdoors or in everyday scenes. AngelEye shows how miniature design can still deliver precise motion once expected only from heavy gear, making dynamic shots feel effortless and fluid. Moments often happen before the record button does. AngelEye's pre-recording mode quietly handles that, saving what would have been missed seconds. Combined with pass-through charging, it keeps recording while charging, turning long sessions into a continuous story instead of separate clips. Whether documenting creative work, travel moments, or city motion, AngelEye stays ready, capturing stories before hesitation begins. This harmony between readiness and endurance defines its flow. A tool built to anticipate instead of react, always slightly ahead of the action. Well, after opening the AngelEye application, quick tutorials appear to guide through setup and operation. The interface is simple yet powerful, showing live view, remaining time, and battery clearly on screen. Multiple modes can be selected, from photo, video, and time-lapse to other creative presets designed for different shooting styles. Recording saved directly to the album for instant access. And future updates will bring built-in video editing for fast refinements. Everything feels fluid, responsive, and made for real-world creators. Out in the field, AngelEye's perspective feels personal and free. In open parks and quiet city-side trails, it holds steady while the surroundings shift, keeping the horizon level and movement calm. During outdoor walks or short rides, It turns motion into smooth narratives from eye level, clear, grounded, and expressive. Even through daily commutes or creative sessions, the ultralight frame turns casual moments into ready made visuals without extra setup. It doesn't call for attention, it becomes part of the moment itself. AngelEye redefines how wearable cameras should feel: effortless, balanced, and made for stories that unfold naturally through motion and space.
I raise my hand
Well, it's time to wrap up, and that's all about this AngelEye FPV camera. I've left a link to it in the description box, so check it out before the pre-launch ends. But before you go, one request. If this video helped, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Support honest content.
raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.